thought I'd have another order of the very same thing.
Another Welsh Rarebit?
Ma'am, you're looking at a Welsh Rarebit theme. I just can't help myself.
First things first, what is Welsh Rarebit? A fair question for a dish that goes back hundreds of years. It's really more of a condiment than something you have on its own. And in the end, it's glorified cheese melted on bread, or fondue on toast, or even better, on a burger. Basically, if it is something good with cheese, it's better with Rarebit.
So that's it.
So that's what?
That's what's giving Pyle the nightmares. Haven't you heard the old story about Welsh Rarebit?
Huh?
Well, yeah, it's supposed to make you dream like crazy, didn't you know?
Oh, come on, boy. You don't expect me to believe that, do you? This is the 20th century, remember?
The stories about Welsh Rarebit being the source of vivid dreams goes back almost as far as the dish itself. Here, you can see it in the 1908 silent film Dream of a Rarebit Fiend by cartoonist and filmmaker Winsor McCay. Beer, cheese, and vivid dreams. Sounds like a fun time, right? So let's get melting. This recipe is going to make enough for a small party or for you to chill and have for several days. To start, pick a good sized saucepan. Preheat the grill to high. Throw the butter into your saucepan. Let it melt until it begins to bubble. Stir in the flour, which will create a paste. Let it cook for about 1 minute longer, then start to slowly pour in some of the beer, stirring or whisking as you go until the beer is all in, and you have a smooth but heavy, thick sauce. I didn't. That's why I needed the whisk. Now, take your blue cheese and cheddar, it can be grated or sliced or broken into smaller pieces, and drop it all in and let it melt into the sauce. Once the cheese has been absorbed into the sauce, take the pan off the heat and add your mustard, paprika, Worcestershire sauce,
I should have gone to Worcestershire.
sour cream, and then stirring until all of it has been absorbed into the sauce. Let the sauce sit on its own for about 10 minutes. Then, add in your egg yolk. Letting the mixture sit prevents the egg yolk from scrambling immediately. Now we need a sauce delivery service, and in this case we are using sourdough bread. Sliced about a ½ inch thin, and then put into the oven under the broiler until toasted. Once toasted, remove and flip the bread over. We're going to use caramelized onion and spread over the toast, and then add a layer of the Rarebit sauce. Almost like you're a kid making an after-school pizza with English muffins, cheese, and pizza sauce. Put this into the oven and let the broiler hit it for a few minutes, keeping an eye on it until the cheese begins to bubble and brown. You want those browning marks. And then it's sit back with the remainder of the beer, or another one, enjoy, and wait for the harrowing nightmares of the Rarebit to kick in when you finally drift off to sleep. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and all those things that we're supposed to say and do.